Okay, students, today we will study subtraction of fraction. In addition, earlier we studied for addition, we studied for like fraction and unlike fraction. So, similarly for subtraction, if the it is like given fractions are like fraction. So in this topic, subtraction of fraction, we will study subtraction of like fraction and subtraction of unlike fractions. We all know कि like fractions have common denominator. जिस भी फ्रैक्शन का डिनोमिनेटर कॉमन या सेम होता है वैसे को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं, कॉमन लाइक फ्रैक्शंस. और जिस भी फ्रैक्शन का डिनोमिनेटर डिफरेंट होता है, अलग अलग होता है, उसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं, अनलाइक फ्रैक्शन. सो नाउ वी विल डिस्कस subtraction of like fraction. Suppose your given fraction is 7 by 12 minus 5 by 12. Okay, we have common denominator. 12 इसमें भी है, 12 इसमें. एलसीएम क्या होगा, जो कॉमन डिनोमिनेटर है 12, 7 माइनस 5, 2 बाई 12. इसको फर्दर सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं, 1 बाई 6. So 7 by 12 minus 5 by 12 will, in first step we will take LCM 12. 7 minus 5, 2 by 12 equals to 1 by 6. In this way we can do the subtraction of like fraction. Okay, ये लिख लेना. So this is mixed fraction. 3 by 7 minus 2 4 by 7. ओके, तो इसको क्या करेंगे, फर्स्ट स्टेप वी विल कन्वर्ट इट इनटू इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. सो दिस 4 3 by 7 कैन बी रिटन एज 4 into 7 plus 3 whole by 7 minus 2 into 7 plus 4 by 7. 28 plus 3, 31 by 7 minus 14 plus 18 by 7. Okay. Now since we have common denominator 7, 31 minus 18. Okay. (13 by 7). In this way अगर मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में दिया है तो पहले क्या करेंगे, फर्स्ट स्टेप वी विल कन्वर्ट द गिवन मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन इनटू इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन, and since we have common denominator we will take the LCM as common denominator and simple subtraction we can do. Means in case of like fraction, common denominator difference equals difference in numerator by common denominator. ठीक है. In this way we can do the numericals on subtraction of like fractions. Now we will study subtraction of unlike fraction. So if unlike fractions are given, then what we will do, first step we will convert the given fraction, we will convert given fraction into equivalent like fractions into equivalent like fractions. And second step, then we'll subtract. Okay. So in this 5 by 8 and 7 by 12 both are unlike fraction. So we can convert it into equivalent like fraction, or we can simply take the LCM of denominator, that is 8 and 12. 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja. So 4 to LCM equals to LCM equals to 4 into 2, 8 into 3, 24. So LCM we will take LCM as 24. Divide the LCM with the denominator of first fraction. So 3, so 5 into 3, 15 minus. Divide the LCM with the denominator of second fraction, 2, that is 14, equals to 1 by 24. And this is given in a mixed fraction. So first step क्या करना है हम लोग को, अगर मिक्स्ड इस तरह के फ्रैक्शन मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन में दिया हुआ है तो फर्स्ट स्टेप विल कन्वर्ट द गिवन मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन इनटू improper fraction. Then we will convert, we'll take the LCM and do the simplification. Okay. So the 5 3 by 4 can be written as 5 into 4 plus 3 whole by 4 equals to, minus 4 into 12 plus 5 by 12 plus 3 into 6 plus 1 whole by 6. 5 into 4 20 plus 3 23 by 4 minus 4 into 12 48 48 plus 5 48 plus 5 53 by 12 plus 19 by 6. Now then we will take the LCM of 4 12 6. Okay, 4 6 12 6 24 into 2 48. So LCM of 4 12 6 2 2 6 12 2 3 again 2 1 3 3 3 1 1 1. So LCM of 4 12 6 is 12. Okay, so divide the LCM with denominator of first fraction 3 यानी 23 into 3 minus 53 plus 19 इंटू 2, ये 53 इंटू 1 होगा, 53 इंटू 1 53, ये हो जाएगा 69 माइनस 53 प्लस 38 बाई 12. ओके, then 9 minus 3 6, 6 minus 5 1, 16 plus 38 by 12 equals to 3 plus 1 4 plus 1 5, 54 by 12. Okay, 2 6 are 2 27, 2 3 are, sorry, 3 2s are 3 9s are, that is 9 by 2. In this way we can solve the numericals on subtraction of unlike fractions. Okay students, so this completes your syllabus for PT1 exam. Hope you like this video, and if you have any doubt you can mention in comment box. Okay, thank you.